Today we are going to draw iPhone 17 Pro Max. So first of all, we draw a rectangle to make shape of the mobile. First a horizontal line and then vertical line. You can use any instrument to draw the lines straight. Keep the edges of the rectangle round. Perfect. As we are drawing iPhone 17 Pro Max, so we will draw a small rectangle at the top of the rectangle shape for mobile to draw its cameras. Perfect. Now let's draw its cameras. iPhone 17 Pro Max has 3 cameras, so we will draw 3 circles to draw its cameras. Very good. Now let's draw a circle for its flashlight and a sensor. Very good. Next we will draw a logo of Apple. Very good. Then we will draw 2 cute eyes to make it look cute. Perfect. You are doing very well. Now let's fill the eyes with black color to make it look cuter. Yay! We have drawn the eyes. Now we will add eyelids to the eyes and then a cute smile. Very good. Now let's add some more detailings. We will draw a heart at the bottom of the mobile and we'll draw small hearts beside the mobile to make the drawing look more cute. Perfect. The drawing has been completed. Thank you for watching.